What's the meaning of archipelago? Archipelago. Archipelago.
Archipelago. Archipelago. Archipelago refers to a group of islands in a vast body of water, usually the sea. These islands are often formed by volcanoes or coral reefs and can be both large and small in size. They may be located close together or spread out over a wide area, creating a unique and diverse ecosystem. Archipelagos can be found all over the world and are important for tourism, transportation and fishing industries. The word archipelago comes from the Greek words archi, which means chief, and pelagos, which means sea,